Hey folks, today's theme is center, and the pattern is going to look like this. We've got a groove happening and we've got a melody happening at the same time. And once you really get into that, I want you to really tune in with how you're utilizing your body and your core, your actual your physical center, how you're using that to shift your weight to capture these melodies. Sometimes when we play the higher notes, which we'll be doing today, we have a tendency to hunch the shoulders and round over the instrument, but we don't want that. We want to keep our posture nice and proud and open, that open, proud chest. And when we move to different notes, instead of bringing the shoulder over and hunching over like this, we're going to move from the core here so that we can keep ourselves happy and healthy and not hurt the back of our shoulders, the top of our shoulders, the neck here or the back, right? So we're thinking of everything coming from the center, from the belly button, if you like, as you move here. So we've got a ding, and then with the left hand, we're going to play all the melody with the left hand. We're going to come all the way up to note 8, like this. Ding, 8, 8. Ding, 8, 8. And then we've got a tack sound, and then we've got another 8 on the end of the 4. Ding, 8, 8, tap. It happens kind of when you don't expect it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 3. Nice. But we're going to move that melody, so we'll start on the 8, then 7, then 6. Easy, we're just moving down the scale. Let's try that. Ready? Here we go. Ding, 8, 8. 8, ding, 7, 7. 7, ding, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 8, 8. 8, 7, 7. And that 6 happens 2 times. Whoops. 6, 6. Again. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And remember, we're avoiding that hunching of the shoulders, keeping that posture upright, keep that chest open, moving from the center. I'm exaggerating here, right? But that's the idea. I'm actually tensing my muscles to move myself in that direction. So it's all coming from lower down. It's not coming from here, it's coming from down there. You can get a little run up the scale there, 3 and 4 and at the end of that final bar, like this. 4 and 2 and 3 and 2, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yeah. 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 So enjoy that, share it with the group if you're in it, and if you would love to support me on Patreon, please do It's a lot of time and work that goes into this, and not a lot of ad revenue, I'll be honest. So if you can support, that would be incredible. This will always be free, it always will. But those of you who are able, yeah, I would love to have that support from you. So enjoy, and I'll see you tomorrow.